Alright, so the carpet is out and I'm pretty much almost bare bones in here. Now I can get started on getting everything right. Dynamatting, soundproofing, deadening, you name it. Just finished scraping up this whatever matte stuff here. That would be this red stuff you see in around, or blue, or whatever color your paint is on your particular vehicle. Mine is a type of burgundy red. Peeled it up so I can seal up these holes here. There are 6 of them in total. Some bigger, some small, and they're on both sides. And that is the goal and purpose of me peeling this whatever matte. I will be recoating it with a type of thicker, more durable bed liner. I might put a couple of coats. Yeah, there's that. And here is the aftermath of some of the work. Stuff's pretty brittle and it gets pretty messy. Hence the crummy stuff, black stuff you see laying around here. And there's that. Tool of destruction, Harbor Freight heat gun, battery operated. Works pretty good, but the battery life can be a little challenging. And that's that. Right. I'm back with a long overdue video. You can see I've been busy in here during my hiatus. I went and patched up all of the holes with little welds and some putty here. I used some door glass. For those who don't know what door glass is, it's kind of like a fiberglass Bondo mix. And I went and coated it with some standard bed liner. No worries. This is not the final stage here. I got some Dynamat. I will be using, I wouldn't say Dynamat per se, but it's the same kind of stuff. Maybe a little bit less or better. Who knows? I will be finding out once I put this stuff to use. I got a little bit more for my buck with this stuff. I ordered it from Amazon. It's the only place that sells this right now. Apparently this is one of the higher rated ones, but I will find out. So I'll be using this on top of my sound deadening film, which will go in the holes and stuff like that where this stuff can't go. Next up, I went and filled up the holes with some Duraglass. Pretty much just got finished. This is already hardened up. I just gotta sand it into shape and throw on some Bondo and finish shaping, and that'll be it for that. It's done on both sides, and you see I got the doors off for ease of access, and that will be that for that. Alright, so here is the interior I was bragging about that I had reupholstered. I'm waiting on one final piece, and that is the backrest. Once all of it is together, I will explain the color scheme and what I'm going after. And once I also have all the pieces, I'll go ahead and lay down the sound deadening foam and the sound deadening material insulation. That's it. side. I'm gonna move on to the driver's side. And then once I got everything the way I want it, I'm gonna take a heat gun to it so I can get the more challenging areas to fold down a little bit more perfectly. Okay, so the carpet's installed. Got a couple incisions left wide open for other interior parts and optional electronics I may or may not run. It's looking good. I have yet to put the panels on for, again, electronics I may or may not run. I left a little bit of excess just in case I have to cut some more. I still have to cut a couple of holes for other parts such as the lift gate and gas handle gates here, which I have no idea where the top PCs should go about right here. Once it's all said and done, I'm gonna try to get that there as best I possibly can.